So my name is Sylvain Benito. I am co-founder and chief science officer at ExactCure. ExactCure is a startup founded in 2018. We have developed a treatment personalization medical device. It is a e-health solution consisting in a web application for the health professionals, such as physicians and pharmacists. It is also a mobile app for the patients. It is based on the concept of the patient digital twin, which consists in a personalized pharmacologic model that can predict drug concentration over time after intake. I am working on the drug efficacy and safety use case. We work on a list of drugs that is codefined together with our partner. This list contains molecules that all interfere with heart electrophysiology and mechanics in a non-trivial fashion. Quantifying such interferences in silico can be useful for safety monitoring purposes, among other objectives. To do so, we need integrative modeling frameworks that combine complex electrophysiologic plus biomechanic models together with the pharmacological models that we develop at ExactCure. Well, first of all, for ExactCure, SimCardioTest is a great opportunity for engaging in cardiology and enlarging our modeling portfolio with new molecules, typically antiarrhythmics used by cardiologists to treat heart conditions. On a longer run, SimCardioTest will generate new commercial opportunities because the service can be useful to a quite broad audience, for instance, regulatory bodies, pharmaceutical laboratories, and so on. For the consortium, onboarding ExactCure has been key for delivering integrative models on a large perimeter of drugs and bring evidence about how universal and applicable the concept can be. So far, we have worked on a quite large list of molecules for which monitoring cardio safety is clinically important. For each molecule, ExactCure has developed pharmacological models that can be simulated in order to feed our partner electrophysiologic models. This collaborative work has already produced quite convincing results. In parallel, we have started working on automation and interoperability aspects. Well, we do consider that pharmaceutical companies as well as regulatory bodies will hugely benefit from this type of open innovation. On the longer run, patients and health professionals will also benefit. I see three important facts. First of all, modern understanding of human biology is just amazing, as well as in silico technology that allows for simulating more and more complex models. The second point is that in developed countries, people live longer and will have to take more drugs. Lastly, in parallel, people become more and more risk adverse. Patients challenge their physician about their treatments, and regulatory bodies expect more evidences from pharmaceutical companies whenever new therapy arrives on the market. Taking these three elements into consideration, I strongly believe that personalized medicine leveraging from in silico technologies will democratize and become a key element in securing the use of drugs.